Good morning, students. Welcome to e-learning program. Today, I am going to discuss some problems of exercise 3H. So this is lecture number 3, exercise 3H of chapter squares and square root. So now let's see the question. Question number 8. If question number 8 of exercise 3H, if n is odd, then the sum of the digit 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 up to nth terms is equal to. So to solve this question, just see 1 plus 3 up to 2 terms. Let's take, what is the sum? 4. Up to 3 terms. What is the sum? 8. Up to 4 terms. Sorry, 9. Up to 4 terms. 1 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 7. You will get 16. Up to 5 terms. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 will be equal to 25. So this is nothing but 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square. So we are getting up to first 2 terms, we are getting 2 square. 3 terms, sum up to 3 terms, we are getting 3 square. 4 terms, 4 square. 5 terms, 5 square. So if we sum this, sum this up to nth terms, if we sum this up to nth terms, then what will be the sum? The sum will be n square. Okay, from this pattern we can recognize it. Thank you. Now let's see another problem. Let's see some other problem of this exercise. Now see question number 13. Question number 13, we have to find a square root of 9. So square root of 9, I have told you, first of all, in the option we have to find up to 2, correct up to 2 decimal places. So what do we have to do? For correct up to 2 decimal places, we need 4 digit here, because 2 2s are 4. So how do we make 4 digit here? After the decimal point, 1 digit is already here. So the remaining 3 digit will be 0. Now take a square root, put 2 bars, and now make pairs of the digit from the last and start taking the digit. Here is nothing, so we will put 0 point like this directly, and now 9 times, I think 9 9s are 81. So 9 9 is 18. Okay, 9 9 is 81, 9 is 18. What is the difference? Difference is 90 minus 81 is 9. 2 zeros will be here, and now I think 4 times 18, 4 into 4 times 4 4 is 16, 4 8 is 32, 33, 7, 180 for 5 times. If we do 5 times 185 into 5, what will happen? 5 5 is 25, 5 8 is 40, 5 is 25, 5 is 40, 42 to 925. We are getting, if we put here 5 times, then it will become, we are getting 925. So 925 is greater than 900, so we will not take it. Okay, so what do we take? We will take 4. So 4 times, we will get multiply it by 4, multiply it by 4, 4 4s are 16, you will get 736, and add it, the last step to add it, 188. Now subtract it, 4, 9 minus 3 is 6, 9 minus 3 is 6, and 8 minus 1. So what is the answer you are getting? 0.94. So I think option D is correct. Option D is correct. Now let's see some another problem. Question number 15. Now let's see question number 15. Point 9 into 1.6. So I have told you the rule. How will we solve it? You can put the numbers, decimal numbers here together. 0.9 into 1.6. What you will get? 1.44. And you can find the square root of these. 1.44, 1 1s are 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, difference is 0. After that there is a decimal point, so you have to put a decimal point here. Okay, so 44 will come down. Now I think 2 times 2 is 24, 44, so 1.2 will be the answer. Okay students, so I think option B is correct. Option number B is correct. So in this way I think you can solve. So in this way I think you can solve all the exercise problem of exercise 3H, and if you have any problem then you can ask me over the WhatsApp, and your today's homework will be complete exercise 3H. Okay, now thanks for watching the video.